In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So first, open up a browser and search for Fortnite. Then you have to go to this website. Now wait for the website to load, and once the website is loaded, here on the top right side you will see the profile icon. Click on it, and if you have not signed in, you will need to sign in or sign up, or you can also sign in with your Xbox, PSN, Nintendo and these etc accounts. So let me sign in quickly. So after you sign in, you will need to click on your profile icon in the top right corner and then click on account. Then here on the left side you will see apps and accounts. Click on it. Now here you will see the PlayStation Network, and here click on the connect button. Now it will take you to this page. Here read all this information and then you can click on connect account. Wait for a few seconds and this will take you to the sign in to PlayStation. So you have to enter here your PlayStation email address and then click on next, enter your password and then click on sign in, and your Nintendo Switch Fortnite account will be connected to PS5. So this is how you can do it, and thanks for watching.